Personal Development and Well-Being Crash Course, Career Development and Skills Enhancement. Introduction. In today's fast-paced and competitive world, continuous learning and skill enhancement are essential for personal and professional growth. The ability to adapt, upskill, and stay relevant in the ever-evolving job market is crucial for career advancement and overall well-being. In this crash course, we will explore the key aspects of career development and skills enhancement, providing you with valuable insights, strategies, and techniques to thrive in your chosen field. Interesting stories and examples. To ignite your curiosity and inspire your journey, here are a few interesting stories and examples that highlight the importance of career development and skills enhancement. Steve Jobs, the visionary co-founder of Apple Inc., emphasized the significance of continuous learning and personal growth. Throughout his career, Jobs constantly pursued new skills and knowledge, allowing him to lead a revolution in technology. Elon Musk, the multi-billionaire entrepreneur and CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, is known for his relentless pursuit of learning and skill acquisition. Musk has ventured into various industries, showcasing the power of diversifying skills and embracing new challenges. Oprah Winfrey. From a troubled childhood to becoming a media mogul, Oprah Winfrey's success is a testament to the transformative power of self-improvement. Through continuous learning, self-reflection, and skill development, she established herself as one of the most influential figures in the world. Mahatma Gandhi, the leader of India's independence movement, believed in the importance of lifelong learning and self-improvement. Gandhi's commitment to personal growth and moral development enabled him to lead a nation towards freedom. These stories remind us that career development and skills enhancement are not limited to a specific industry or profession. They are universal principles that can be applied to any field, helping individuals unlock their full potential and achieve their goals. Top 12 Methods of Career Development and Skills Enhancement. 1. Set clear goals. Define your career objectives and create a roadmap to guide your development journey. 2. Continuous learning. Embrace a growth mindset and pursue ongoing education, whether through formal degrees, certifications, or self-study. 3. Networking. Build meaningful professional connections and expand your network to gain new opportunities and insights. 4. Mentorship. Seek guidance from experienced professionals who can provide valuable advice and support. 5. Industry research. Stay updated with industry trends, advancements, and emerging technologies to remain competitive. 6. Skill assessments. Regularly assess your existing skills to identify areas for improvement and development. 7. Training and workshops. Attend relevant workshops, seminars, and training programs to acquire new skills and enhance existing ones. 8. Cross-functional experience. Seek opportunities to work in different departments or take on diverse projects to broaden your skill set. 9. Leadership development. Hone your leadership skills through courses, workshops, and practical experiences. 10. Emotional intelligence. Cultivate emotional intelligence to effectively manage relationships and navigate workplace dynamics. 11. Professional associations. Join professional organizations and participate in industry events to expand your knowledge and network. 12. Personal branding. Develop a strong personal brand through effective communication, online presence, and showcasing your expertise. These methods form a comprehensive framework for career development and skills enhancement, allowing individuals to progress in their careers and achieve long-term success. Summary. In this crash course on career development and skills enhancement, we explored the importance of continuous learning, personal growth, and adaptability in today's dynamic job market. We discussed various methods such as setting clear goals, continuous learning, networking, mentorship, and industry research to empower individuals in their career journeys. By embracing these strategies, individuals can stay ahead of the curve, unlock new opportunities, and achieve personal and professional fulfillment. Poem. In the realm of career, we seek our way. Enhancing skills and growing each day. Through the vast landscape of industry and trade. Career development is the path we aid. Setting goals, clear and defined. A roadmap to guide our aspirations aligned. Continuous learning, a quest for knowledge. Expanding our minds, we'll never acknowledge. Networking, connections we weave. Building bridges, opportunities conceive. Mentors, wise guides, their wisdom we seek. their guidance and support, the future looks sleek. Researching the industry, trends we explore. Adapting to changes, always eager for more. Skill assessments, and honest reflection. Identifying gaps for skill correction. Training and workshops, we eagerly attend. New skills acquired, our abilities ascend. Cross-functional experiences, we bravely embrace. Expanding horizons, skills interlace. Leadership development, our potential unleashed. Empowering others, our impact increased. Emotional intelligence, a key to succeed. Understanding others, fulfilling every need. Professional associations, communities we join. Knowledge sharing, growth we coin. Personal branding, our unique voice. Communicating our value, we rejoice. Together, these methods pave the way for career development, day by day. Skills honed, expertise refined. A thriving career, a future designed. Song. Verse 1. In the world of careers, we find our way. Seeking growth and success, day by day. With goals in our hearts, we set our sights. On the path of development, reaching new heights. Chorus. Career development, a lifelong quest. Enhancing skills, we're at our best. Learning and growing, embracing change. Career development, our lives rearrange. Verse 2. Networking and connections, we weave a thread. Expanding horizons, where opportunities spread. With mentors as guides, we find our stride. Their wisdom and support, forever by our side. Chorus. Career development, a lifelong quest. Enhancing skills, we're at our best. Learning and growing, embracing change. Career development, our lives rearrange. Bridge. Researching the industry, we stay aware. Adapting to new trends, with expertise we share. Skill assessments guide us to areas for improvement. Training and workshops, our skills we will prove. Chorus. Career development, a lifelong quest. Enhancing skills, we're at our best. Learning and growing, embracing change. Career development, our lives rearrange. Verse 3. Leadership and emotional intelligence we embrace. Guiding others, making a positive space. Professional associations, a community we find. Personal branding, our unique voice defined. Chorus. Career development, a lifelong quest. Enhancing skills, we're at our best. Learning and growing, embracing change. Career development, our lives rearrange. Outro. With passion and dedication, we pave our way. Career development, our journey we'll portray. Skills enhanced, new opportunities unfold. A fulfilling career, a story to be told. This completes our crash course on personal development and well-being, focusing on career development and skills enhancement. We have explored various strategies and techniques to empower individuals in their career journeys. By embracing continuous learning, setting clear goals, networking, and developing key skills, individuals can unlock their true potential and achieve long-term success. Remember, personal growth is a lifelong journey, and investing in your career development will pave the way for a fulfilling and rewarding professional life. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.